Are you looking for the best nail guns in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best nail guns that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the NuMax SFR 2190 framing nail gun. First up, we've hand-picked a framing nailer from NuMax. Their SFR 2190 model, which is a 21-degree pneumatic-style nail gun perfect for professionals as well as home DIY enthusiasts. It features depth adjustment and a no-mar tip, so it can be used on a host of surfaces. It's durably constructed and designed to tough and dependable, with an easy-to-load interchangeable trigger for either single subsequent shot to quick fire release. There are heaps of features, which is why we've awarded it our best choice, including non-slip teeth, a 360-degree adjustable air exhaust, which can be strategically positioned to blow debris away from your workspace, and an air filter anti-dust cap to protect and keep your tool clean. Keep it always handy in your tool bag. Up next in the 4th place is the Hitachi NT50AE2 brad nail gun. We're looking at a popular brad nailer next from Hitachi. The NT50AE2, which at only 2.2 pounds is lightweight and well-balanced and great for helping get into those more difficult spaces. With just a simple flip of a switch, you can change that actuation mode to fire in either bump or contact mode, and there's only an adjustable depth drive. It's easy to operate, maintain, and clean, and it features an ergonomic elastomer, non-slip grip for both your comfort and protection. As with the NuMax we just reviewed, this cost-effective and highly responsive 18-gauge nailer features a 360-degree adjustable exhaust vent, as well as a no-mar nose cap. It's quite literally nailed it when it comes to features. Be sure to also check out our list of the best hedge trimmers for more great items like this. The 3rd product on our list is the Ryobi P320 Airstrike brad nail gun. We're sticking with brad nailers next, and taking a look at what Ryobi has to offer with their P320 cordless power tool. It's a versatile nailer to have for all kinds of jobs around the home, from reinforcing joints to installing roofing tools. The depth can be adjusted via an onboard dial, which is a super convenient feature, especially if you do want to multitask, and it means that you don't have the hassle or expense of having to fiddle with other tools. Ryobi has even included a built-in LED light, so that you can get a better view of what you're working on, even in a dimly lit space. And when you're not using your nailer, you can attach to your tool belt via the clip included. Just one simple charge of the 4-amp battery is sufficient to fire off up to 700 nails, which is pretty impressive stuff. Our handy guide to the best torque wrenches features more great products like this. Second on our list is the Dewalt DWFP 12E231 brad nail gun. Dewalt is a well-respected and popular brand when it comes to power tools, and this DWFP 12E231 2-inch brad nailer is no exception and certainly won't disappoint. It has a long life, maintenance-free motor, and a unique jam release mechanism for tool-free removal of trapped nails. There's a removable non-mar tip plus a sequential style trigger, so you can control both the firing mode, but also the depth you require. A rear exhaust works to keep contaminants away from you and your workspace. And it features a 100 capacity 100 magazine, so you won't have to keep continually reloading your air nail gun. It conveniently comes supplied with 501 for nails, as well as a carrying case to keep your purchase both safe when not in use, but also making it easy to transport to your next work location. Love this product. Check out our review of the best portable workbenches for our top picks. Finally, the top product on our list is the Porter Cable PCC 790 La brad nail gun. Our premium value choice sure has nailed the competition. If you are looking for a fast charge, then this is quicker than a cowboy drawing his gun at the OK Corral. It can fire up to 1,300 nails per charge and is fully cordless. The Porter Cable PCC 790 Law is an exceptional battery-powered nail gun that certainly has a lot going for it besides that 20V max lithium battery. One magazine can hold 100 nails, so you won't be continually refilling your magazine, and weighing 5.9 pounds, it's sturdy. But it's easy to manage. There are plenty of essential tool-free features that you will appreciate, like the stall release lever, the jam release function, as well as the depth adjustment wheel. All that, and it features LED lights too. What more could you possibly ask for from an electric nail gun? Find more great products like this by checking out our guide to the best screwdriver sets. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.